If you are looking for a dumpster rental company that offers crucial service for homeowners and businesses alike, your search ends here. Introducing DumpStars Indiana, your solution for residential dumpster rental in Kokomo, Indiana. We take the lead in efficient debris management as we understand that every home project, big or small, generates waste. We provide reliable and convenient dumpster rental services in Kokomo. At DumpStars Indiana, we strive to make your cleanup process as smooth as possible. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to cater to all your residential needs. Whether you're decluttering, renovating, or refreshing your space, we have the perfect dumpster for you. What sets us apart is our commitment to excellent customer service. Our team is here to guide you through the rental process, ensuring you get the right dumpster size for your project. Plus, our straightforward online ordering system makes getting the dumpster you need just a click away. Call us today at 765-419-7884 or visit www.dumpstarsindiana.com category dumpsters to reserve your residential dumpster in Kokomo, Indiana. Experience hassle-free cleanup with DumpStars because your project deserves the best. DumpStars Indiana, where convenience meets reliability.